Cacio e Pepe. I Googled it, and I was, Cacio e Pepe. I don't know, I'm from Alabama. It's cheese and pepper pasta flavored popcorn. Hey guys, today we're going savory with a Cacio e Pepe popcorn. I don't know if I said that right. It doesn't really matter if I said it right because it tastes phenomenal and you're gonna wanna learn how to make this popcorn. This is a part of our Choose Your Own Recipe Adventure series. So there's 3 recipes total and today's all about cheese and pepper. All you need to make Cacio e Pepe popcorn is 5 ingredients. And you probably already have them in your house. So you're going to need popcorn kernels. You're going to need olive oil, table salt or some kind of fine sea salt. You're gonna wanna find your best wedge of Parmesan cheese and a whole bunch of black pepper. You're gonna open up a brown paper bag, similar to the one that you would send with your kids to lunch. You're gonna add a 1/4 cup of popcorn kernels into the bag. You can use white or yellow, it doesn't really matter. You're gonna drizzle in 1 teaspoon of olive oil, a 1/4 teaspoon of fine salt, sea salt or table salt, either is fine. Then you're gonna add a 1/4 tablespoon of ground pepper. That's 1 teaspoon. You can go higher if you want, but 1 teaspoon is still pretty spicy for me, so start there. Then all you're gonna do is fold down the top of your brown paper bag twice, give it a really good shake to coat all of the kernels in the oil and the salt and the pepper. And then you're gonna pop that baby in the microwave on high for 1 minute and 40 seconds. Once it's done, take it out of the microwave, give it a really good shake, pour it into your popcorn bowl, and add lots of cheese on top. I'm talking a 1/4 cup freshly grated Parmesan cheese. That's it, 1 minute and 45 seconds, maybe 2 minutes stands between you and the best popcorn you'll ever eat. The Cacio e Pepe popcorn is where it's at. Now, if you kind of are in the mood for something sweet, don't forget I have this DIY kettle corn that you can make in your microwave too. That's it.